Hey guys, it's your girl Ariel and welcome back to my channel.
Hey now, hey now. Yes.
For this week's tutorial, we are tapping into our Betsey Johnson All Eyes on Me palette and we are utilizing those beautiful dark shades, and I'm going to give you the tutorial on the only 10-minute smoky eye. Now, you know, a lot of us are rushing all the time to get a face on. We want to go out or we got a show, something. We're always running late. Mine is I want to have some buffalo chicken salad and take a bubble bath before I go out, so my ass is always running late. So sometimes you just got to throw on a quick eye that looks sickening and pretty, aka the blue smoky eye. It doesn't even have to be blue. It could be like pink, or like make sure there's a little pop of color in there so it's not like, but I digress. I'm going to show you guys how to get this sickening eye in 10 minutes or less, so keep on watching our Betsey Johnson tutorial this week to get this 10-minute mermaid beautiful smoky eye. Yes! Alright guys, so for today's Betsey Johnson transformation, I'm going to show you guys how to get this beautiful blue smoky eye. Now, I like to call this my good old drag 10-minute smoky eye. You know, sometimes we all gotta rush, we gotta do our thing really fast. You know, you might have overslept, you might have Netflix and chilled too long. You know, we run late for things, but I'm gonna show you guys how you can achieve this sickening, sexy, smoky eye in 10 minutes or less. It's very easy, and all you need is a couple colors, some brushes, a steady-ish hand, and a will to carry on. So of course, today primarily I'm going to be tapping into my Betsey Johnson All Eyes on Me palette. There is a gorgeous, sickening, smoky tokey navy blue in there that we are going to utilize for the majority of this tutorial. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So the first thing we're going to do is just prime the lid with a little bit of concealer, just to give a base. And especially when you're just doing like a quicker, like smokier look, it's always really good to prime the eye because you want the shadows to stick and then like blend out on top of each other super quickly. If you just go on dry, nobody likes to go in dry. Right, Betsy? All right, so now we got it nice and primed and bright. We are just gonna take a little fluffy brush and we are gonna tap into this color. I'm giving this palette some love this month. We're gonna tap into this color, Twinkle, Twinkle Little Star. And we're just gonna tap this all over the lid. And this shadow is actually like really pigmented. And again, this isn't a matte, it's not shiny. I would say it's like a metallic. It's got like a satiny metallic finish, just a little sheen to it. It's not like overly sparkly or anything, which I kind of like for this look because I want other elements to be super matte and other elements to be very sparkly. So this is a very good even balance. This eye is really fast, so it's great if you just are kind of going out for a night out and you gotta get ready quickly, or you know, you got a show and you gotta get ready quickly as well. So you know what, you just throw these colors on and you'll be looking sassy. Next, I'm gonna take a fluffier brush and we're gonna tap into this color Smoke for our smoky eye. And we're just gonna lightly kind of go in the crease with this. Now this color is a little bit more matte. The reason I'm using this color is because I don't want to bring the shininess all the way up. I want that to stay more on the lid area. And these colors are pretty similar. This one's a little bit more of a gray. And we're just gonna bring it up. That way it's not shiny all the way up to the brow bone. And then we're just gonna take a dry brush with nothing on it and blend that out. Now, although I do love pink, and pink is totally my power color, I really love blue eyeshadow on the eyes, and I have to say I'm really impressed by this color Twinkle. I think it's super pretty. All right, so now that we have that on, we are going to highlight the brow bone, and I'm just going to tap into this color Lulu and Tutu. You know, I like to mix those two together. And we're just gonna hit that at the brow bone and blend down. This is great to just highlight a regular brow bone, but because mine is more of a drag look, I am going to tap in to another color and utilize a bright white shadow to really highlight the brow. And again, just taking what's left over of Smoke on that fluffy brush and blending all of that together, up and out. All right, now that we have that on there, we are gonna hit the under eye, and go figure, we are gonna take that same fluffy brush, we're gonna tap back into Twinkle, and we're just gonna hit that right under the eye. And then to blend that out, we're gonna take that same fluffy brush that we had Smoke on, and we are just going to go ahead and use the fluffiness, circular motions, and blend that out and down. And now to ensure that's nice and blended, real quick, I'm just gonna tap into another palette and grab a little bit of a baby blue, a matte baby blue, and we're just gonna hit that right under there. And then again, take that dry brush with nothing on it, blend that out. Next thing I'm gonna use is take this flat brush and dip into Punk that we used last week for our Punk Rock Princess, and we are just going to lightly hit this at the lash line. So you're just gonna kind of tap it on the lash line and then blend downwards. It's just gonna add some drama under the eye. Something subtle, but it really does make a difference. Next, of course, we're gonna tap into the color Frisky once again to fill in my brow. So wet the brush with some setting spray, tap into that and paint it on. All right, then on this concealer brush, I'm just gonna take a little bit of a white concealer and we're gonna clean up under the brow. Also, I did my brows a little bit differently this week. Let me know what you guys think of it. I did a little bit more like swoop boop shaboop. Shout out to my sister Pheromone. She was in the car and her hair was all pink and hot pink and swoopy and hot, and her brows looked very like snatched up and loopy doopy, and I was like really into it. And I was like, oh, I want to try that. So yeah, thanks Miss Pheromone. I kind of liked it, so I wanted to give it a try this week. Let me know what you guys think. Kind of makes me look bitchier, but also nicer. Like, hi. Hi. All right, now to pump up the drama and the jams, we're gonna put on a little eyeliner. Also, pro tip for eyeliner, always have a blow dryer at the ready. Go ahead and wing that out. Now that I have my eyeliner on, let's put on some mascara. So I'm going to tap into my handy dandy Betsey Johnson Lush Lash Mascara. Again, big fan of this brush because it's fluffy, but it's not too like dense. So you can really get in there. All right, so now that we got our mascara on, we're going to go ahead and highlight this inner corner. So I'm just gonna take this liquid dazzle shadow and hit that right in my inner corner. Okay, I like that. I had to check before I did it. Because we're feeling fun and funky fresh, we're gonna put a little blue glitter on the inner corner as well, because glitter never killed nobody. Ooh. Yes. Now guys, how easy peasy lemon squeezy was that? Seriously, this literally took me less than 10 minutes. It looks amazing. I love it. I love a good smoky eye, honestly. And for looks like this, when it's really smoky and pretty and it still keeps my eyes open and it's blue, actually for this look, I'm going to not wear any contacts today. I really like this with my dark eyes. So now let's go ahead and get some color on this face. I'm gonna grab my big Betsey Johnson fluffy powder brush and we are just gonna put on some bronzer on this Meesha Sparks. Sorry for all the bumps all over my face. I don't know if you can see it on camera or if the blur effect helps, but I just got my Botox and my whole entire face redone today. So it's looking a little rough.com.net.edu, but yeah, I got my Botox, my cheeks, and my lips, and yeah, my lines. Oh my God. That really filled in my mouth lines. Oh my God. Look, they're gone.
Finally!
Shout out to Meesha Aesthetics, love them. I will link their number and their information down below. If you guys are ever interested in getting any procedures done in the face, such as like Botox or like fillers, they are the place to go to in the tri-state area. If you're in like Jersey, Philly, Delaware, please hit them up. They're incredible. I love this big fluffy brush. Honestly, it's perfect for just bronzing up the face. Now I'm just gonna hit my face with some powder to bake. All right, guys, I have to admit, I must be a bad Betsey babe because I totally forgot that I had this product and I want to show you guys it. It is their highlighting sticks. Now, this is normally I don't go, maybe it's because I don't normally use like cream highlighters. It's their Sparkle Plenty highlighter stick. I actually swatched a little bit really fast because I want to see what it looked like, but we're gonna put this on first before we put on our powder highlight. I'm gonna do this very carefully because sometimes I get nervous putting creams over powders, but this is actually looking pretty good. Oh, I'm not mad at this at all, actually. That's really pretty. It's like a light peachy gold. It's kind of like the powder highlighter color. Okay. This is really creamy and smooth, but it like blends out nice. Like it dries down after a minute, but it's creamy at first. I think I'm going to utilize this when I'm not in drag. Like regular makeup, like a little boy beat. This would look great. Not that it doesn't look great now, but trust me, if I'm wearing this, guys love BJ. Guys will love BJ. Now we're just gonna jump into the powder highlight and throw that on as well.
Every night in my dreams, I see you, I feel you.
Bitch. Oh my God. Betsey baby, you are gagging me. Look at that, yes. All my dogs are sleeping downstairs and one of them's having a dream. I can hear him like, oh, I'm doing my highlighter like this from now on. I can't turn back. It just like amplifies it to a 10. Damn, I love it. Love Betsey, love this. There's a red in here and I'm terrified to do a red with a blue eye. No, I can't. We're gonna hit the lip with this pinky shade called Malibu because it's sassy. I believe this is the one I used in the video the first week. Yeah, this was definitely the pink that was used. I love this. Malibu. All right, now we're gonna tap into a new gloss shade. I think because, I don't know, with this blue, this gloss is really sticking out to me, so it's our little flippy glosses. There's the glittery one and the more just regular shiny one. I'm gonna tap into the shinier side. Oh my God, oh, okay, got it. I remember the other one was hard to open. So I'm just gonna really saturate this because I kinda wanna tone down the pink a little bit and make it more of like a neutral lip. So I'm gonna take this gloss. Ooh, love this color. I'm just gonna redraw over the shade Malibu with the gloss. And again, this has a small doe foot head to make sure. Good precision. I really like how this bronzy gloss mixed with the pink. You know what we are gonna do with our highlighting cream stick? We are gonna get this clavicle shining, sweetie. Actually, you know what? Why not? Let's see if this is gonna pass the test of the Summer Bronze Womano. We're just gonna try it, because why not? I love to be covered in shine, so let's see if this passes my test. Guys, that's really pretty on the body. Ugh, love it. All right, now we're just gonna hit the whole face, a little bit of setting spray. All right, guys, well, now that the makeup portion is done for this week's Blue Smoky Eye, I'm gonna go change into final looks and I will see you in a second. All right, guys, well, this is the finished look for my Betsey Johnson Blue Smoky Eye tutorial, which kind of turned into like a lovely, sexy mermaid tutorial, which is totally fine because it is about to be the summer. Go to all the friggin' outdoor parties and be a super slutty, sexy mermaid because you know what? Guys love BJ. Ladies, hidden meaning. Yeah, but I hope you guys love this look. I had so much fun recreating this. I feel gorgeous right now, and I hope you guys love it. And I will see you guys next week for my last installment of the Betsey Johnson Makeup Collection tutorials. It's gonna be so much fun. I have something awesome in store for you guys. I hope you guys tune in, enjoy this. Make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe to this channel, and make sure you guys turn post notifications on so y'all know when I'm posting videos because YouTube and everyone likes to play games. So please turn on the post notification so you know when I'm posting a video. And also remember, I am on Cameo, so if you guys want a selfie style video from me to you or one of your friends, hit me up at Ariel Versace on Cameo. I love you guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Make sure you share it if you love mermaids. And as always, yes.